Here's the app called HealthEquity Mobile, connecting health and wealth. So yeah, let's just tap get to install it, double click to install, confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID. Meet all your new HealthEquity Mobile app, get up-to-date account balances in one easy spot, manage multiple reimbursements and payments, review and update HSA investments. So HealthEquity mobile app is a convenient and powerful tool that gives you on-the-go access to your benefit accounts. So yeah, that's the app you have here. You can allow notifications. And then yeah, from here you can just log in. This app is only for logging in, so you need to already have created your account on the web version or somewhere else. You can't create your account here in the app. So yeah, that's what it is.